Vir meer as 50 jaar dien ELGI die wêreldlandbousektor. Hulle bevind hulle self in meer as 40 lande en dit sluit Suid-Afrika in. Vir meer as 10 jaar is hulle deel van die landbouekonomie en is hulle trots om hulle eie fabriek hier op te sit. ELGI is 'n trotse familiebesigheid met 'n derde generasie nou aan die stuur. Kwaliteit, innovasie is in die voorpunt wat ELGI doen en nadiens is deel van hulle naam. Maak seker jy vind uit wat ELGI vir jou kan doen.
ELGI dien nou al meer as 10 jaar lank die Suid-Afrikaanse landboumark.
ELGI besit 'n wye reeks produkte. Dit sluit in planters, voermengers, strooiers, spuite en grondbewerkingsimplemente.
So, hello everyone, my name is Jeran ELGI and today here we are celebrating our 10th year in South Africa. ELGI Agricultural Machinery is located in Turkey and was founded in 1971 by my grandfather, and we are proud to say that we have dedicated our 54 years and 3 generations to produce agricultural implements. And we are very happy to celebrate our 10th year in South Africa with our own organization and our own team here. Our product range is wide enough to meet South African farms and farmers' needs. So we offer tillage equipment, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, and feed mixers and drum movers to South African farmers here for 10 years.